let's harvest few flat beans what we got. So we are just checking which one is ready, because few are ready in one bunch, few are not, so we are just checking and plucking it one by one. Also, I would request, like, whatever we got from terrace garden or whatever gardening what we do, or whatever vegetables, please don't waste it, because it's purely organic and we are not using any chemicals on it. In this video itself, we have shown what we have done with this. We got very limited harvest, but we can mix it with some other vegetables or spinach and do something. So, or however you feel like, however your family likes, you can cook and serve them. Just don't waste anything. Earlier we used to waste like that, only one or two okras we get, and we used to keep in fridge, and after that we don't know what to do. After few days I just learned that whatever we are harvesting, let's use it in whatever way we can. So nowadays we just learned it, like how to use. So in the beginner's garden, we face this challenge because we just get 2-3 vegetables or 1 or 2 okras. Some very few harvest we used to get. That's okay, but we'll just mix it with something else and we'll cook, and we can cook it, because after so many days we are getting the result, and so if at all we are losing that result, I don't think so. We really need to do this gardening, right? So we are happy that we are getting this much harvest for the first time. So my daughter is harvesting it. I was just searching anything else. So if you can see there, we got one sweet corn also. Only one we got. It's growing in the background. If you see, it's a sweet corn. This is again one more variety of flat beans. We are having some 4-5 in that. So we are just plucking everything. That we have to use only seeds. Whatever the last she harvested, right? That variety we will use only seeds. So we have few cherry tomatoes as well. So we are harvesting that. This time we got lot of cherry tomato plants than normal tomatoes. So we just started saplings for those bigger variety. So let's see, like another 1 month we will get the big tomatoes continuously. All these cherry tomatoes are almost in the last stage. So we have to see, again the rain started, some are again picking up. We have to see whether it will survive or we have to replace them. So as of now we are getting lots of cherry tomatoes, and for everyday need we are getting it, like hard 10 to 15 tomatoes every day we are getting it. So this is a mug, broken mug. We recycled it. We can plant anywhere. So we got around 50-20 tomatoes from that mug itself. So recycle whatever way you can. So what in my garden, if you see, 90% are recycled materials only. Old tubs, old buckets, around 10 to 15% only what we bought, grow bags and these kind of tubs which we bought. Otherwise most of them are recycled. These are cluster beans. So we are it started, cluster beans have started. Another 5 more saplings are there in the other part. We have to see how it grows. Now as of now it's good. It is coming in that Malabar spinach, purple Malabar spinach bucket. These are chilies. I could see 4-5 chilies. So another 15-20 days we can expect chilies growing. So let's see, like, this is the spinach which came voluntarily, so we are just plucking it, and so that we need that tub for mint, growing mint, so we are just plucking the leaves, and then we will remove this plant because spinach is everywhere in the garden. So I don't think so this is needed. This is our today's harvest. So what we are doing with this harvest, just see. So take a bowl, put 1 spoon of oil and mustard seeds for seasoning, and then spinach, just cut the spinach and put it, and just fry the spinach for some time, maybe 2 minutes. We just washed it, and we cut the spinach, and we are just frying it. So we kept flat beans, we just made into pieces, and we have boiled and kept it ready. So boiled flat beans which we harvested today, that thing along with the water, little more water we kept, so that along with that water we are pouring it in the bowl, so that the spinach, if it is little raw also, it will get boiled with this water. So leave it for 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and then put little turmeric and salt, mix it, and then leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we shot this video in the night, that's why, because it's little dull. So after 2-3 minutes, all the water will get absorbed, and now you just put this 1 or 2 tablespoons of groundnut and chili powder, groundnuts and chili powder. This is groundnuts and dry chilies, we put it in a mixer, and we store it actually. So just 1 or 2 tablespoons of for this much quantity, 1 tablespoon is enough. Groundnut powder, and garlic is optional, just crush it little bit and then put it, and then that's just for a flavor, and it gives a nice flavor for the dish. And serve it with chapati or with rice as well, it is good. So the quantity is little less, but still okay, I really don't want to waste it, so we have prepared this and we had it also.